Today, we are diving into a very important topic, the relationship between nutrition and prostate health. Specifically, we're looking at the role of zinc. There is compelling data regarding how this trace mineral interacts with the prostate gland, and it's something every man should understand as he ages. What is the prostate? There's often a lot of confusion about what the prostate actually is and what it does. Most men only become aware of it when they notice changes in their urination patterns as they get older. It is very common for the prostate gland to enlarge with age. When this happens, it can put pressure on the surrounding areas, affecting things like urinary stream and flow, the ability to fully empty the bladder, overall vitality, and libido. Understanding why this enlargement occurs is the first step in addressing it. While an enlarged prostate is a common part of aging for a high percentage of men, it is important to distinguish between general enlargement and more serious conditions like cancer. Location and function. The prostate is located in the pelvis, tucked behind the pubic bone and just underneath the bladder. It wraps around the tube that carries urine out of the body. In its healthy state, it's roughly the size of a walnut, though it can grow significantly larger over time. Functionally, the prostate is a mix of glandular tissue and muscle. It serves two primary roles. Fluid production. It secretes a specific fluid that mixes with others to form semen. Muscle action. It helps transport this fluid during the reproductive process. The fluids produced by the prostate and surrounding glands provide essential nutrients like fructose to support sperm health. Interestingly, sperm can remain viable for several days outside the body, but they require the specific environment created by the prostate's secretions to remain fertile and active. The zinc connection. What makes the prostate unique from a nutritional standpoint is that it contains the highest concentration of zinc in the entire human body. The concentration of zinc in healthy prostate tissue is significantly higher than what you would find in your bloodstream. This means a standard blood test might not always reflect the actual nutrient levels inside the gland itself. Research suggests a strong link between zinc levels and prostate health. Healthy tissue, associated with the highest levels of zinc, enlargement and inflammation. Studies often show lower zinc concentrations in men experiencing prostate swelling or chronic inflammation. Advanced concerns. The lowest levels of zinc are often observed in the most serious prostate. Zinc also plays a role in how your body handles hormones. Testosterone can convert into a more powerful version called DHT via a specific enzyme. While DHT is natural, excessive levels are linked to several issues, including male pattern baldness and prostate enlargement. Zinc acts as a natural inhibitor of the enzyme that creates DHT. Furthermore, men with low testosterone are frequently found to be deficient in zinc. This makes it perhaps the most critical trace mineral for maintaining healthy testosterone level. Why do we become deficient in zinc? If zinc is so important, why are so many people deficient? There are several common factors. Dietary choices. Red meat is one of the best sources of zinc, but many are advised to avoid it as they age. It's important to distinguish between processed meats and high-quality grass-fed options. Phytic acid. Diets heavy in whole grains and cereals contain phytic acid, which can block the absorption of zinc in the gut. Stomach acid. As we age, our stomach acid naturally decreases. We need that acidity to properly break down and absorb minerals like zinc. Lifestyle and medications. Things like alcohol consumption, high sugar intake, and frequent snacking, which impacts insulin, can deplete zinc. Additionally, certain common medications, including antacids, diuretics, and statins, can interfere with zinc levels. Supplementation can be a helpful tool to ensure you're meeting your daily requirements. It's important to remember that no single nutrient is a guaranteed cure for medical conditions. Your overall diet, stress levels, and lifestyle habits all play a massive role in your long-term health. The best sources of zinc. The most bioavailable source of zinc is shellfish, particularly oysters. The second best source is high-quality red meat, While targeted supplementation can be a helpful tool to ensure you're meeting your daily requirements, it's important to remember that no single nutrient is a guaranteed cure for medical conditions. Your overall conclusion. Now that you understand the vital link between zinc and your prostate, it's worth exploring how this mineral affects the rest of your body. Be sure to check out further resources on the benefits of trace minerals to stay informed. Take control of your health today. Like this video and subscribe to Men's Health Secrets for more important tips every man should know.